Hello Daily Unlimited viewers, hope you're all doing fine in this lockdown. I'm Jonathan and welcome to Daily Unlimited. So in today's video I'll be doing the unboxing and setup of HP Inktank Wireless 419 printer. So previously I was using a HP printer which was an inkjet printer. That was not as efficient as the one which I am going to do the unboxing. So let's see what kind of features this HP printer has to offer. So using this printer as per HP specification, we'll be able to take 15,000 black and white photos as well as 8,000 color photocopy. It also has an inbuilt scanner, so you can scan any kind of documents on it. And even it has a wireless capability. You will be able to print any kind of photos or documents right from your smartphone wirelessly. You don't have to have the printer connected to your computer. It can be in any part of your room as far as it's connected to the Wi-Fi. You will be able to take a printout even remotely using your smartphone or even from a desktop computer. So this is a 3-in-1 printer. It has a copier, it has a scanner as well as a printer. So you'll be able to make use of it, especially if you're working or if you have a small kid at home, especially during this lockdown period when everyone are attending online classes, whether it's schools or colleges. In order for you to take printout of your notes, you can do it at your home itself, because you can take large number of photocopies using this printer. So it'll be really useful for students. So now the HP authorized technician is here. He'll be doing the initial setup of this printer. The reason behind it is if we are going to do it on our own, HP's warranty will not be covered. That's the reason why the HP technician needs to do the opening of this box and initial setup. So I'll be showing that as well. So we'll be doing the unboxing of this HP Inktank 419 printer. So let me open the seal. Let's see what's inside the box. So it comes with all paperwork, the warranty, the setup guide and everything. So all the paperwork side, let's keep that aside. So it comes with 2 cartridges. So both of which is, one is black color, the other one is tricolor. So the HP authorized person has come, the technician. He'll be doing the setting up of the printer. So let's see what comes inside this box. So it comes with the power cable, the USB to the printer cable, so this is going to be the yellow ink which comes inside the box. This is going to be the magenta ink. So this is the cyan ink. So totally it comes with 3 color inks. One is cyan, one is magenta, and the other one is yellow. And it comes with 2 black ink, 170 ml. So that's about it. So this is the printer itself. So now the HP authorized technician will be doing the setup of this. So let's see how he does it. is the black tank, cyan tank, pink and yellow. So he's going to fill the ink over here. You'll be able to see the how full the tank is. So this is going to be a leak proof bottle, so even if you invert it, the ink is not going to leak from it. You can see the ink getting filled in the tank. Right, that was pretty fast. Now he's going to fill the magenta ink. You can see the tank getting filled magenta ink. The yellow and the magenta is full. Cyan ink is getting filled in the tank. Right, so next we're going to fill the black ink. So that's a bigger tank as compared to the color ink tanks. You can see the black ink tank is getting filled. So the orange tab has to be removed before we set it up. So it's removing the orange tab. Now we'll be placing the ink cartridge inside. So it's the tricolor. This is going to be for the color printing. So you just remove the seal for the ink cartridge, front head, the print head. So now he's opening the black ink cartridge. So we remove the seal for this as well. Now he's placing the black ink cartridge inside. That's pretty much it. Right, the power cable is connected and switched on the power. So we're going to do a test printing now. So we're just placing some A4 sheets. So the initial setup of the HP Inktank 419 has been completed. So now I'll be doing a demo to show how you can wirelessly print a document from your smartphone. So now I'm going to give a command from my smartphone to print a document. The command will be given wirelessly to my wireless printer. So as you can see, the wireless printer is no way connected to your computer or any laptop. So it's completely wireless right now, only the power supply is being given. So let me just print it out now. Alright, I have given the command. Now it's going to print the document. Alright, so it has printed 2-page document which I have given. So as you can see, I have printed this document wirelessly from my smartphone to the HP printer. You will be able to take printout any kind of document, whether it's an image document, PDF, Word, or any kind of Excel document. As far as you have the HP application installed in your smartphone, whether it's an Android phone or an Apple iPhone, you'll be able to do it. Not all printers has the compatibility to print documents from Apple iPhone, but this HP Inktank 490 will be able to print any documents even from your Apple iPhone. Printer will be really useful, especially if you're working from home or if you're doing homeschooling, because most of the schools right now are taking online classes, and for which not always you can use your computer or laptop to learn for your examination or to prepare for an exam. So using this printer you can take a printout of your notes or any kind of work related documents and use it offline. So it's really helpful, especially during this lockdown and during this COVID situation we have. So thanks for watching this video. So I'll be leaving the link for this HP printer in the description below. So you can click on that and purchase the printer from Amazon if you like it. And if you did like our video, press the like button. And if you found this video really informative, you can share it with your friends. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to press the subscribe button below. And also press the bell icon to get regular notification about all the videos we post. Until next time, it's me Jonathan signing off. Cheers.